What a mess. Coley needs to help me clean this. Oh, Coley!
What now?
Oh, Coley, I know you hear me! Coley, why aren't you answering me?
Because you're annoying.
Well, the Nerf room's a mess. You have to go help me clean it too.
No, it's your turn.
If you don't come help me right now, I'm gonna shoot you with every single Nerf gun.
Fine. I'm gonna help you even though it's your turn.
It is not my turn. I cleaned it up last time.
Whatever. How big can the mess be?
This big.
Roger.
How'd the mess get this big?
I have not a clue. Let's just get this cleaned. Okay, you're going off. All done.
How does it always get so dirty?
I have no clue.
What's your favorite Nerf gun?
This one.
That's a good choice.
What's your favorite?
This one.
Oh, I like your gun. I like your scope, by the way. It's a really nice scope.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Oh, what else is cool? Surprise shots!
You can't even have a dart.
Yeah, I was just kidding.
Wait, how do you know there was no dart in there?
I didn't.
So you were gonna shoot me.
If it happened, it happened.
How about I really shoot you?
Psh, whatever. You don't have any darts.
Orange darts.
Well, yeah, so do I.
I don't care what you know.
I'll show him darts. Hey, Coley!
What?
Here's some darts.
Hey!
You have some darts now.
Oh, it's on. Uh-oh.
Looks like you need some darts.
Make a run for it.
Oh! It looks like you're out of darts.
Oh man!
Oh, it looks like you need to make another run for it. Show yourself.
No, I'm good. Aha! Oh yeah, I have Nerf guns in the garage.
What a fool. He just cornered himself in the garage. This calls for the Mastodon. Wait a second. Just in case.
I'm done.
Me too. At least we know where the Nerf mess comes from. Who do you think won that Nerf battle?
With me, for sure.
Oh, you think so, huh?
Yeah, it's obvious.
You wanna know what you get for winning?
What?
A surprise shot! Hey guys, you pretty much saw our whole Nerf arsenal, but we know we're missing a lot of guns. What gun should we use next? Let us know in the comments. And our comment of the week comes from Nolan Robinson. If you scream again, I will kill myself. Yeah, that's just her thing. Sorry about that. As usual, check out our Instagram page.
Our Facebook page. Give us a
Thumbs up. Click on our faces to subscribe. And as usual, we'll see you all next time.